Hi, my name is Claire. Welcome to the wonderful world of cake lace. In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to make 3D cake lace butterflies. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to use the gold premix. I'm just going to stir it for a little bit. If it has been sitting in the pot for a while, you do need to do this. Now I'm going to add it onto the mat, and I'm going to use the spreading knife and work it into all of the butterflies, making sure I eliminate any air bubbles. Once I've eliminated all the air bubbles, I'm going to use the spreading knife and take the excess back off. Now I can place it into a preheated oven at 70 degrees for about 10 minutes. I'm going to put 4 tablespoons of part A into a mixer with 50 ml of water and mix with the whisk attachment for about 2 minutes. Once I've done that, I'm going to add part B, which is the gel which keeps your cake lace moist, into the mixer and again beat for about 4 minutes. If you're not going to use it straight away, you can store it in an airtight container in your fridge for 7 days. Place 1 teaspoon of white cake lace and 2 teaspoons of pearl together in a bowl and mix well. We use the white cake lace just to add a little bit of flexibility so the butterflies don't break. I now have the cooled butterfly mat. I'm now going to add the mix we've just made, making sure that again I work into all the corners and eliminate any air bubbles and remove the excess. Then I'm going to pop back into the oven at again 70 centigrade for about another 10 minutes. In order to create our 3D butterflies, we are going to use 70 centimeters of kitchen foil. Fold over several times till we have about 5 to 6 centimeters, then we open back out to create a triangle. Remove the cooled butterflies from the mat and place onto the triangle. Place back into the oven at 70 degrees for about 20 minutes. Remove and cool the butterflies. They are now ready to place onto your cake with royal icing or to store in a cardboard box for later use. To make white butterflies 3D, use the mix of 1 teaspoon of white cake lace and 2 teaspoons of pearl mix into the butterfly mat first, and then cook as before. Then add a second coat of pearl cake mix and follow the instructions from earlier to finish creating your 3D butterflies. Thank you for watching this tutorial. I hope it inspires you to have a go. Please follow me on Facebook for new ideas and updates on our cake lace range. I hope to see you soon.